Hi everybody, it's Lynnea, and today I'm creating a card project using some of the products from the new Erin Lee Creative release. So I'm going to be working with the eyelash stencil, and I'm going to be using a piece of the holographic A2 cardstock cuts. These products are so fabulous with this release. I love this eyelash stencil, and my sister is really into makeup and she's a super beautiful girl, and so this card is inspired by her and I'm going to be giving it to her later on. So to start off with, I just sprayed the back of the eyelash stencil with some pixie spray, and I'm placing the stencil onto this holographic A2 cardstock piece. I trimmed it down so that it would be more to the size that I wanted it to be, and then I'm just adding some white pearl metallics gel from Decofoil and Thermal Web. I'm spreading that evenly over the stencil using my stencil pal, and this is going to give a nice metallic white shine to those eyelash images, and it's on that holographic cardstock, which is so super fun. You get that rainbow effect in the light, and this cardstock is so bright and happy. Even when it's not in the light, it's still shining. So for my sentiment, I wanted to use the Big Hello Love Die set from the last release from Erin Lee Creative, and I'm going to be using the Hello die. So I die cut that 4 times from some heavyweight white cardstock, and now I'm just creating a little handle because I'm going to be doing some heat embossing. So I just have a strip of cardstock that I added some tape runner adhesive to, and I'm just adding one of those Hello die cut words onto that handle, pressed my Versamark ink over the top, and now I'm going to cover it with some primary marshmallow embossing powder from Wow. And this looks like a hot pink embossing powder in the bottle, but it actually, when you heat emboss it, it becomes like this super soft pink. Now I actually added 4 layers of the embossing onto this Hello die cut, and every time I added more of that powder, it got just a shade darker. So I added the 4, and I ended up really liking that shade of pink. It's like a medium shade. So I took the rest of the Hello dies and I stacked them together with some liquid glue for dimension and added that heat embossed piece on top. And these are the Nesting Hearts dies. These are new from this month's release from Erin Lee Creative, and it has the 2 dies, and then there's a shadow piece, like an outline piece, and then this solid heart in the middle. So really you can get 4 different hearts from the 1 die set. Super fun. I die cut that from some cardstock, covered it in glitter and glossy accents, and that finishes my card. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!